Hello, everyone. I'm just doing my reflection for this week and probably keep it pretty short because there wasn't a whole lot of things to do. But one of the first questions was, how do we need teachers to deal with technology? And I think teachers should be able to use technology, whether it's making videos or PowerPoints or Prezis or whatever you need to do um, to help with education. That'd be great. I know here in our district we are starting to get Chromebooks for all the students, which I know will be huge for all the kids. They won't be able to take them home, but they'll be able to have them. Um, I think they will be able to take those ones home. But I think that's great that we're getting that technology so that teachers or students can always have their laptop with them. They can work on stuff. They can take stuff home and work on it. That way they don't have to use that excuse, I don't have a computer at home. Well, yeah, you do. Um, some of them might not be able to get on the internet when they get home, but they'll at least have something to type on if they have to type something. Which in the with junior high and high school, that's more of a thing to do. It's not necessary really for grade school kids to write papers. I remember when I was in third grade, we had to write one paper, and we did it writing it with our pencil and paper, so it wasn't that big a deal. Um, but having technology at the outstretch of your hand is always a good thing to have. That way you can always use it for whatever you need. So the second question was about using Prezi. I've used Prezi before. Had to use it last semester. They're pretty simple. I had to take a little bit to refresh what I was doing though. I kind of messed up and clicked on a bubble and it didn't really load where it was supposed to, and there was nothing on it. So luckily, I checked that. And I got that edited out. But other than that, it was pretty simple. Same thing with Screenomatic. All my videos I've recorded has been on Screenomatic, and I had to use it last semester too. I think it's pretty neat to use, especially how you can put yourself in it by yourself, or just you can show how to do something or build something. I always thought that was pretty neat. I know last semester one of my teachers used it all the time to do our weekly um, posts. That way we knew what to do, and you could see her talking and see the screen as well. But overall, this is pretty easy, I thought, um, section. I hope everyone else did too.